Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 14th, and this is my analysis of the Euro Yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro again, I think it's still extremely clear that this is a big 1, 2, and 3. I also think it's very clear that we can see the subdivision of the wave 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 3. So I still think there's a very good likelihood at some point very soon we're going to make a wave 4 and go back up for a wave 5. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we had that big push down a couple weeks ago, but really I never broke any structure, never made an engulfing move, definitely never made a lower high, definitely still in a wave 3, I believe. There's really nothing stopping this from going up and taking out the previous high and still being a big wave 3 of, or a big wave 5 of wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, like I said, we had that big push down, but it never broke any structure, never made a lower high. Trend has been up this whole time. I mean, I would definitely look at this move down as possibly being an A1, and I would look at this move up as possibly being a B or a 2, and I would also be potentially looking for a short if it does present one for a wave C or a wave 3. So I try to keep both options in mind. I always try to look at the bullish and the bearish versions of the pattern, but I think it's more likely that this is actually just going to keep on going up, and I think it's more likely it will take out the previous high. So definitely looking for longs until these higher time frames tell me otherwise. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, definitely no break of structure. I mean, for me, I would have to see a 3, 4, 5 shape at a Fibonacci level with a break of structure to turn into a seller. If I see this picture right here, then I would definitely know that this is a B or a 2, and I would definitely go short for the wave C or 3. But I think that's the least likely scenario. I think if anything, this is potentially just going to keep on going up, making higher highs, higher lows, and just keep on trending to the upside. I think it's more likely that it will just keep on going up and taking out the previous high. Like I said, until the higher time frames prove me otherwise, I will definitely be looking for longs on shorter time frames. Heading down to the 1 hour time frame, it really hasn't presented that many pullbacks, just some little maybe 15-minute time frame ABC corrections. There's definitely a few pretty nice little ABCs in here, and until the higher time frames tell me otherwise, I am definitely doing nothing but looking for ABC pullbacks to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. If the higher time frame, like the 4 hour daily, presents an opportunity to go short by telling us that this is a B or a 2, then I will definitely start going short. But until that happens, I am definitely 100% just going to go long every single chance I get at the end of every single pullback I see for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program. That gives you access to my daily live trading sessions, and it gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.